we get different atmosphere and yeah, and we interact with each other. If you get any kind of unexpected situation, all member support you, they motivate you, they give you strength, and right, and you never feel alone or you don't feel negative thought inside your mind, right? Because they stand beside you and they motivate you. They you don't take wrong decision if you get unexpected situation, right? That's why we should live in joint family. Even though Odia people and Bengali people they like joint family and they stay with also joint family, right? But if you go to south part or northern part, they people like a nuclear family, right? They if they don't want to share their everything, right? Their mindset is different, but our mindset is different. If you go to south part, they people after marriage they want to go to abroad and Gulf country, and they want to go in different part of within India for their livelihood. They do it, and they stay nuclear family. They don't want to live with joint family. But Odia and Bengali people maximum I think they like joint maximum. Hardly 20% people they live in nuclear family, but 80% people they stay with joint family. Still they capture that kind of traditional culture, right? Yeah, that is a good thing. Everything has a positive and negative and advantage, disadvantage, right? But makes sometime what happened right now you are working in defense sector and you live means so far from your home, then you know that kind of means we only how many time you talk with your parents or sibling. If you have a means your uncle auntie they also like you, they also talk with you, then you feel in a different, right? Okay, everyone, with my family members, my parents they take care my parents. Right now I'm so far from my parents, who actually take care them. You always think that kind of, right? But if they stay with joint family, then you stay with happily and in your workplace, right? Because you always think if they get any kind of unexpected situation, definitely my uncle auntie or relatives or neighbors they support my family, right? And they inform you and they talk with you. They if they suffering something, then they inform you, right? Then if you have a good dealing with joint family, then definitely we get a means different support, right? That's why these day that's why people they always think single mind, right? They don't want to share everything they are feeling, their what they want to do. They never share with someone, their relative, their parents, their uncle auntie. That's why they if they get any kind of unexpected situation, they always take wrong decision, they suicide, right? 7. Yeah. Then you tell me, pardon. No, no. Then you tell me, how long have you been working in there, in your department? Okay, 7 years. Then within 7 years, did you get any promotion? Okay. Are you, means, have you joined in officer level or means, hmm, okay. Okay, I got your point. I got your point. But that professional life is a so disciplined life. I know. Defense sector life is so disciplined. Apart from Of course, definitely I know because discipline line you people always discipline your means your personal life also so discipline and professional life also so discipline, right? You don't like a mess of life. You get up early in the morning. After that, you do your exercise and you do your morning walking or what. Of course, definitely, I know it is a anyone can they know, and that you people so aggressive or you people like discipline mentality people, and you always follow that kind of rule and regulation. If someone they never follow discipline, then you hate that type of person, right? Yes. Yeah, and who belongs to in the defense family? They definitely they kids are also they that kind of mindset, and they kids also they also so disciplined because they get from their parents or something. Right, right, right. That's why you people protect us. That's why you people protect us due to your discipline life, due to your discipline professional, right? That's why you people always believe that kind of discipline. That's why people they salute you people, right? And they always means 24 24 means hours you people protect us, right? No, people they know because then I think they don't want to talk. They want to talk in different matter, right? But because we, as a Indian, we should know in a different department as well, right? Because if you work, then definitely because why the people want to work? Because if you join any government or private department, first of all we learn how to be disciplined, right? Because you if you like today you go to office 10 o'clock and tomorrow if you want to go in 12 o'clock, not like that, because you have to go 10 o'clock and you return in after 6 or 5. That is a routine, right? You have to obey that discipline. You don't do your means openly what you like. You if you think what I like I do, you cannot do it. You have to follow discipline life if you join any department. Anyone can they, right? And we know if any working people, they know how to talk with others, right? Their mode of talking is a also represented their personality, right? And if you talk with non-professional people, their mode of talking is a different, right? They never talk with courtesy, with politely. They only talk with you like a threatening type of their mode of talking you don't like, right? That kind of, because who are working in different department, uh, their mode of talking is different. You can evaluate their mode of talking, right? Yeah, that's why working people is a different and non-working people is their mode of talking is a different. That's why we have to learn how to talk. Pardon? Yeah, did you finish or do you wanna take? Why? Okay, do you take breakfast or rice or what else? Means sorry, means chapati or rice? Okay. Or the what kind of food do you take? Like a rice, chawal, or this chapati? Oh, okay. Do you have a canteen, right? Your canteen, do you have food from there, right? Oh, hmm, okay. Okay. How many employees within one mess? Or that is a 100, 200. Okay. Oh, it's okay. We don't discuss about your professional life. It's okay. Okay. Thank. Yeah, I